So today's topic is coal handling system in power plants. So everyone knows the coal is solid fuel and it is used to produce heat energy in power plants. So what operations are involved in the coal handling system? I will explain you in this video. So this is these are the operations involved in the coal handling. First, see these operations. I will explain you one by one. So, first is coal delivery. Second one is coal unloading. Then preparation phase, transfer phase, outdoor storage, cover storage, in-plant handling, weighing and measuring. Then furnace firing. In India, the coal requirement per day of every large thermal power plant, about 600 megawatt power plant, handles about 7,200 tons of coal per day. So, this amount of coal requirement for the large capacity power plants. So, these are the operations involved in the coal handling system in the power plant. So, our first operation is coal delivery. The coal from the mines is transported by ships, by trucks, or by rail, depend upon the location of the power plant. If the location of the power plant is near to the mine, about distance between the mine and the power plant is less than the 10 km, then ropeways are also used to directly transport coal from the mines. So there are four modes of transfer of the coal. First one is truck, second one by ships, third one by rails, and fourth one is by ropeway. So this is our first phase, or the second operation involved in the coal handling system in the power plant is unloading. Unloading is depend upon the mode of transportation used to supply the coal to the power plant. If the coal is supplied by the trucks, there is no requirement for the unloading equipments. If the coal is delivered by ships, then different equipments required like coal towers, unloading bridges, coal accelerators, portable conveyors, and self-unloading boards. Okay, these equipments are needed. And if the coal is delivered by rail, then also different equipments required like grab buckets, coal accelerators, and closed wagons. So unloading is depend on the delivery of the coal. Third phase. The third operation involved is preparation phase. The coal received from the mines is of different sizes. It is not suitable to feed into the furnace directly, as it will not burn efficiently. So in preparation phase, what happens? The delivered coal, which is passed through the crusher, and they crush into small particles, so it will burn efficiently. This is about preparation phase. Now the fourth phase or fourth operation is transfer. The crushed coal is transferred to the power plant with the help of belt conveyors, screw conveyor, flight conveyor, skip hoist, or bucket elevator. In the diagram, I have shown the belt conveyor used to transfer the coal. The fifth operation involved is storage. Storage include two types of storage: outdoor storage and cover storage. Imagine, suppose a coal is not delivered to the power plant at the right time. There may be chances of to shut down the plant. So avoid this situation. Outdoor storage is provided. What is outdoor storage? In outdoor storage, the coal for 30 to 80 days, means stock of coal of 30 to 80 days is stored in the power plant for to avoid the situation like failure of delivery of the coal. So this is outdoor storage. And what is cover storage? Cover storage is also called active or live storage, are provided to supply the coal to the furnace. Means in outdoor storage we store the coal for the emergency situations, and in cover storage the live storage of the coal, which is continuous supply to the furnace. Now the sixth operation is in-plant handling. In in-plant handling deals with the feeding of the coal from live storage to the furnace. Means coal from the cover storage is transferred to the furnace, which is transferred by using equipment like belt conveyor or screw conveyor. This is about in-plant handling. Now, weighing. The coal transferred to the furnace, which is weighed with using different equipments like movable lorries, and there are three methods used for coal weighing, that are mechanical, pneumatic and electronic systems. Okay, this is weighing means coal is weighed and then transferred to the last operation of the coal handling system in the power plants, in which the coal is fed into furnace to produce the heat energy. So this is all about the coal handling system in the power plant. In short, the coal is delivered using truck, ship or rail. Then coal is unloaded using different equipments. Then in preparation phase, the unload coal, which of different sizes, crushed into small particle. Then in transfer phase, the crushed coal is transferred to the power plant, and in our outdoor storage, we store the coal for emergency situation. In cover storage, we store the coal for live supply. And in plant handling, the coal is transferred from cover storage to the furnace, and in weighing, the coal is weighed using different equipments, and in furnace firing, the coal is fed into the furnace for produce the heat energy. So this is all about the coal handling system in the power plants. If you need proper answer, go to the link I have given in the description.